Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lincoln Navigator garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage, with the ignition on. You will need your original garage door remote control. Locate the 3 home link buttons on your overhead console. We will use these buttons to link your vehicle to your garage door system. To begin, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, then release them. This clears any previous programming. Next, hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your original remote's button. Release both buttons once the home link indicator light changes from a slow to a rapid flash. If the light flashes rapidly, press the programmed home link button twice to activate your garage door. For rolling code systems, you might need to press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, then quickly press the home link button 3 times. Your Lincoln Navigator can store up to 3 different garage door opener codes. If you ever need to clear all programmed codes, simply press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons for about 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This is useful when selling your vehicle. And for more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.